Yep.
Marky, you be really careful. Freaking me out.
George and my mom are feeding the sharks. Whoa.
Wow.
Way to go, Mom.
I'm not sure which girl this is that Peter. All right, ready?
This one? Yeah.
What's that one? Yeah, I did. What's that one?
I don't know. Pay attention.
Oh yeah. This species not as much. What do you get? This one right here. Turn it around.
Okay, which one is that?
And that's all of it.
Which one is that one down there? On the bottom. That's just one of the shirts. Okay, which one is that? Have that one back on. This one here? Here you go. I'll wait for this girl to come around.
Number 8.
I zoomed in on that one. I zoomed in on that one. Hey, Mom. Mom.
Not very aggressive ones?
Mom. I'm gonna head back. I have to go to the bathroom.
No, you don't head back by yourself.
I have to go to the bathroom. I'm just going over there.
Over there? Yes.
No, I don't. Mom, I'm on the side of the
No, stop. Hand me that. She's gonna walk over with you. Stop. Are you stopped recording?
No.
Well, then that's on.
Let's stop that.
That. Yeah.